Hi! In front of me is FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. Then tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Then pick the best source for you and select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!